Hello, dear children. Let's continue the chapter Nelson Mandela A Long Walk to Freedom, where we left in the previous video. We have to start from here. The day was symbolized for me. This paragraph we had completed. From here we have to start. On the day of inauguration, I was overwhelmed with a sense of history. In the first decade, a period of 10 years, of the 20th century, a few years after the bitter Anglo-Boer War and before my own birth, the white-skinned peoples of South Africa patched up their differences and erected a system of racial domination against the dark-skinned peoples of their own land. See, he is saying that to that day he was remembering about the discrimination with which all the black people had to suffer a lot in their own land. He said black people were also a part of their land, but in South Africa they were discriminated on the basis of their color, their dark skin. Though they were also belonging citizens of the same country, still this difference they had to face. The structure they created formed the basis of one of the hardest, most inhuman societies the world has ever known. So this sort of discrimination, he said, was the most harsh discrimination and very inhuman one as well, which the societies had faced. Now in the last decade of the 20th century and my own 8th decade as a man, that system had been overturned forever and replaced by one that recognized the rights and freedoms of all peoples, regardless of the color of their skin. But he said, I am fortunate enough that for me, when I am there, this system was abolished. Now, one black person is going to be elected as the South Africa president. Definitely, this is going to replace this racial discrimination is going to be replaced now for all. And it is regardless, whatever color you belong, but everybody had the same right in the land of South Africa. That day had come about through the unimaginable, meaning which cannot be imagined, sacrifices of thousands of my people. He said this day he could see, along with him other black people of his country could see, but it could not come without the unlimited sacrifices of black people. Lot of people lost their life. Then they were capable to see that day. People whose suffering and courage can never be counted or repaid. He said, those who lost their lives, their suffering, their courage, nobody could count them. Nobody could repay them for it. I felt that day, as I have on so many other days, that I was simply the son of all those African patriots who had gone before me. He said, no one was less than who lost their life, their sons, their daughters. I am also like one of them whose parents have lost their life in this struggle of freedom. And he was giving importance. Now he was remembering all the people who have lost their life in this freedom struggle. That long and noble line ended and now began again with me. He said that a long and noble line of patriots, courageous people who had lost their life, that long line had ended today and a new line was going to begin with me. because now today onwards democracy was going to prevail in that country, South Africa. I was pained that I was not able to thank them and that they were not able to see what their sacrifices had brought. Brought meaning achieved. He said that I am very sad today that I could not say thank you to all those patriots who sacrificed their life for the democratic system of South Africa, and at the same time those who lost their life could not see what their hard efforts could brought in South Africa. The policy of apartheid created, apartheid meaning that discrimination, created a deep and lasting wound in my country and my people. He said that this racism had created a very great deep wound in the heart of my people and in my country's heart. All of us will spend many years, if not generations, recovering from that profound hurt. Profound meaning great hurt. He said that I should say that so many years they needed to come over from that great hurt. Not if not generation, though even I could say the generation needed to be come out from that hurt, that wound which was created in the heart of my people meaning all the black people. But the decades of oppression and brutality meaning all sort of murders, all sort of inhuman activities, oppressions meaning to control someone with force, had another unintended effort, and that was that it produced the Oliver Toms, the Walter Silas, the Chief Luthesius, the Yusuf Daddos. Now Nelson Mandela is remembering each and every one by name. Some of the sacrificed people, their picture is also drawn in this. These are the people whom Nelson Mandela is calling one by one. He is naming and he is saying they all are great people. Great people on the land of South Africa who lost their lives this way. He was thanking everyone. So dear children, today we will do this much. Thank you everyone.